Hi there. So you're looking for some masonry help? I mean, why else would you be watching this video right now? Well, you're in the right place. We are Harling Masonry Restoration. We repair the masonry facade problems for commercial, industrial, and multifamily buildings, like condos and apartments. We handle the small one-day job to the much larger projects with one major difference. We will treat your building just like it's our building. Because like you, we want it to be fixed the right way, the first time, with quality and integrity.
Hello, this is Patrick Brenner, President of Harling Incorporated. We at Harling believe in 4 key pillars: safety, quality, integrity, and customer service. We treat your building like it's our very own. So if you have any masonry restoration needs, please call us or email us and experience the Harling way. Thank you, and I hope we can help you soon.
Hey, nice logo there. Learn more today at harlinginc.com. Or you can always shoot us an email or give us a call. We'd be happy to listen to your problem and give you the very best solutions. We look forward to helping you the next time you have any masonry issues. Harling Masonry Restoration.